To unarchive an email in Gmail. Start by understanding what archiving means. Archiving an email in Gmail removes it from your inbox but keeps it in your account, allowing you to free up space in your inbox while still keeping the email for future reference. To find archived emails, navigate to the left sidebar in your Gmail account and click on More. Then select All Mail. This will show you all the emails in your account, including archived ones. To unarchive an email, first find the email you want to unarchive in the All Mail folder. Open the email by clicking on it. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, select Move to Inbox. This will move the email back to your inbox, effectively unarchiving it. Alternatively, you can also use the search function to find the archived email. Type in keywords related to the email in the search bar at the top of the Gmail page. Then press Enter. Once you find the email, follow the same steps as before to move it back to your inbox. Best practice is to regularly review your archived emails to ensure they are still relevant and to delete any unnecessary ones. This will help keep your Gmail account organized and clutter-free. By following these steps, you can easily unarchive an email in Gmail and keep your inbox organized. Remember to use the All Mail folder and the Move to Inbox feature to unarchive emails. And regularly review your archived emails to maintain a clutter-free account.